2004 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail. Price, $4,399. Location, Bakeliff, Texas. Turn heads on the road with this 2004 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail, a classic cruiser with 22,000 miles and a smooth manual transmission that rides as beautifully as it looks. Finished in striking blue, this bike combines timeless Harley style with modern reliability. Whether you're cruising the coast, hitting open highways, or showing off at local bike events, this Softail delivers comfort, power, and that unmistakable Harley presence. Well-maintained and road-ready, it comes with a clean title and is perfect for both seasoned riders and those looking to step up to a true classic. 1973 Yamaha TX-650. Price, $2,900. Location, Yukon, Oklahoma. Vintage charm meets reliable performance with this 1973 Yamaha TX-650, a classic bike that's ready to ride. With less than 50 miles on a freshly rebuilt motor, brand new top end, and a new clutch, this TX-650 delivers smooth, dependable power. The frame and wheels have been powder-coated, giving it a clean, refreshed look, while new tires ensure safety and confidence on the road. 2003 MCC Harley S&S Custom. Price, $4,500. Location, St. Paul, Minnesota. Step into the world of custom riding with this 2003 MCC Minneapolis Custom Cycles, featuring the powerful 111 CI S&S Super Sidewinder engine. With just over 20,000 miles, this Blue Beauty combines classic Harley styling with top-tier performance. Its manual transmission ensures that every twist of the throttle is a thrilling connection between rider and machine. 2002 Harley-Davidson Softail Deuce. Price, $6,500 to $9,800. Location, Fremont, Indiana. Experience the thrill of riding a true custom Softail Deuce, meticulously built with over $32,000 invested. This beauty has only 15,000 miles and flaunts a stunning custom paint job, complete with the original skins for collectors or purists. The bike runs flawlessly and sounds incredible thanks to its West Coast Choppers pipes and front wheel, while tons of chrome and a lowered stance give it that jaw-dropping presence. 2002 Harley-Davidson Softail Deuce. Price, $6,500 to $9,800. Location, Fremont, Indiana. Experience the ultimate in custom cruiser excellence with this 2002 Harley-Davidson Softail Deuce. With only 15,000 miles and over $32,000 invested, this bike is a show-stopping masterpiece. Its custom paint gleams under the sun, complemented by West Coast Chopper's pipes, a bold front wheel, and gleaming chrome accents. Lowered for a sleek stance, it delivers not only style but a smooth, commanding ride. 2002 Harley-Davidson Softail Deuce. Price: $6,500 to $9,800. Location: Fremont, Indiana. Experience the perfect blend of style, power, and craftsmanship with this 2002 Harley-Davidson Softail Deuce. With only 15,000 miles and over $32,000 in custom upgrades, this bike is a showstopper. It features a custom paint job with original skins included, West Coast Chopper's front wheel and pipes, and extensive chrome accents. The lowered stance gives it an aggressive, head-turning presence, while the engine runs flawlessly, delivering that unmistakable Harley growl. 2004 Kraft Rigid Frame Custom Built Chopper. Price: $15,000. Location: Schenectady, New York. Turn heads wherever you ride with this 2004 Kraft Rigid Frame Chopper, a true collector's dream with only 1,234 miles. Powered by a 1885 cubic centimeters cammed Evo motor and roaring through Vance & Hines big radius pipes, this bike delivers both style and performance. Custom built in December, it features meticulous attention to detail, a bold red finish, and an aggressive stance that screams attitude. With only 2 owners and flawless maintenance, this chopper is ready to dominate the streets and make a statement on every corner. / 2002 Honda Shadow. Price: $3,500. Location: Cleveland, Oklahoma. This 2002 Honda Shadow is a true custom masterpiece built for riders who want to stand out on every street and highway. With 123,459 miles of road experience, this bike has been transformed into a unique cruiser featuring a striking turquoise paint job, an inverted fuel tank, and a diamond-cut engine that gleams in the sunlight. The fresh leather seat and accents add both comfort and style, making every ride feel luxurious. Its manual transmission ensures smooth control and a connected feel, while the meticulous craftsmanship of the custom bodywork and paint gives it a one-of-a-kind personality. Perfect for weekend rides, long-distance cruising, or showing off at bike meets, this Honda Shadow blends classic reliability with jaw-dropping custom aesthetics. Don't miss your chance to own a bike that's as bold, stylish, and memorable as its owner. 1982 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000. Price, for $1,000. Location, South Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Step into the world of classic chopper culture with this 1982 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, a true collector's gem and a head-turner on the streets. With only 1,234 miles on the clock, this bike combines vintage charm with custom flair. Featuring a TC Brothers front springer, a king and queen seat, and a striking 21-inch front rim, this Sportster has the look and feel of a handcrafted masterpiece. The S&S Shorty carburetor delivers smooth and responsive power, while the black paintwork exudes timeless Harley style. Perfect for weekend cruising, bike shows, or adding to a classic collection, this Sportster 1000 blends history, performance, and custom craftsmanship in one unforgettable ride. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of Harley heritage that's ready to ride and impress. 2014 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. Price, $13,500. Location, Watseka, Illinois. Turn heads wherever you ride with this 2014 Harley-Davidson Street Glide, a bold and stylish touring bike with 21,000 miles on the odometer. This Street Glide has been customized to stand out, featuring a striking red custom paint job, a premium custom seat, and a performance exhaust that gives it a commanding roar on the open road. Equipped with a tour pack for convenient storage and long-distance comfort, this bike blends style, performance, and practicality for riders who demand both. 2001 Harley-Davidson Softail Deuce. Price, for $1,500. Location, Boyd, Wisconsin. Ride in style with this 2001 Harley-Davidson Softail Deuce Custom, a classic cruiser that's built for both performance and presence. With only 30,000 miles, this bike has been well cared for and is ready for many more open-road adventures. Recently fitted with brand new tires and a new battery, it's turnkey and road-ready. The striking yellow exterior gives it a bold look that stands out from the crowd. Harley-Davidson Ironhead Chopper. Price, $2,800 OBO, or $2,500 with stock front wheel. Location: La Porte, Indiana. For sale is a super cool custom Harley Ironhead chopper build that I started from a factory bike. This machine runs awesome with only 4,000 original miles, but I've lost interest in finishing it out the way I originally planned. It's nearly complete. Everything is done besides the hardtail, and it's ready for someone who wants to put the final touches on a killer chopper. The bike features a lot of quality upgrades and custom parts, giving it the right stance and old school. 2006 Big Dog K9. Price: $13,000. Location: St. Louis, Missouri. For sale is a 2006 Big Dog K9, a legendary factory custom chopper that combines jaw-dropping style with serious performance. With only 5,760 miles, this K9 is in excellent condition, well cared for, and ready to ride. The Big Dog K9 is known for its 300mm rear tire, stretched frame, and raked front end, giving it that unmistakable long and low chopper stance. Finished in sleek black, this bike looks aggressive, classy, and turns heads wherever it goes. Pictures don't do it justice. You need to see it in person to appreciate the paint, chrome, and overall 2018 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 107. Price: $8,000. Location: Neoga, Illinois. For sale is a 2018 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 107, a bold and aggressive cruiser built to deliver Harley's trademark power with a modern performance twist. With just 13,700 miles, this bike is in excellent condition and ready for its next rider. Powered by Harley's Milwaukee 8 107 CI V-twin engine, the Fat Bob provides strong torque, smooth throttle response, and an unmistakable rumble. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, it delivers a raw and thrilling ride that feels just as comfortable on the open highway as it does carving through town. 2010 Victory Vegas. Price: $4,000. Location: Festus, Missouri. Up for sale is a 2010 Victory Vegas, a clean and reliable American cruiser that offers performance, comfort, and style at an affordable price. With only 9,000 miles, this bike has very low miles for its age and has plenty of life left. The Victory Vegas is known for its sleek, stretched-out design, wide rear tire, and smooth lines that make it stand out among other cruisers. Finished in a bold red paint scheme, this bike commands attention wherever it goes. It's been in the family for years and well cared for. I've had it in my possession for the past several years, and it's been a dependable, enjoyable ride. The bike runs and rides excellent, with plenty of power from its 100 CI Freedom V-twin engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission.